Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese yakionigiri. Simple yakionigiri or grilled onigiri is good already, but with cheese in it, it's even better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this cheese yakionigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 2 packs of katsuobushi bonito flakes, 6 slices of American cheese or Kraft cheese, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. At first, I need to cook the rice, so let's rinse it. Add some water, stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been half an hour, so let's turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now you can see and hear it's boiling, steam coming out from the edge of the pot. Turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. Okay, cooked for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and steam for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, so let's fluff the rice. Put the lid back on and cool it down to lukewarm. The rice is ready, so let's mix these in. Put katsuobushi into a small bowl. Add soy sauce. And mix. By mixing katsuobushi and soy sauce first, instead of adding soy sauce straight to the rice, you can avoid having one part of rice that soaked up too much soy sauce. So let's add the mixture to the rice. And cheese. Just remove the film. Break into little pieces and add to the pot. 6 slices of cheese all in. Let's give it a nice mix. If the rice is too hot here, the cheese will melt, so make sure to use lukewarm rice. It's well mixed, so let's make it into onigiri. Prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper, bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time, some salt, and small bowl like this to standardize the size of onigiri. Wet your hands completely to the palm, like this. Put some salt on your palm, rub it all over. Put rice in the small bowl. Take it out on your salted palm and try to make it into triangle shape. Don't squeeze it too strong. like this thickness, and let's put them on the parchment paper. Before you carry on, don't forget to wet your hands. Put some salt, rice using small bowl, and triangle. I made 7 regular size and 1 mini size for the tasting. Let's put this in the oven to grill. I grilled them for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and cheese yakionigiri is ready to go. It's smelling so good. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The melted creamy cheese inside and crunchy cheese outside is just so delicious. My children will be very happy that I made this today. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Cheese yakionigiri is obviously rice, so let's put it here. For the main dish, I think I want to have oden. Oden is kind of soupy dish, so no miso soup here today. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. There is nothing green in the meal, so I would go for cucumber salad for the other side dish. Happy cooking and eating! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!